Did you know you can lower your credit card interest rates just by asking? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to negotiate with creditors and save thousands of dollars. Step by step. Brief overview. We'll cover why negotiating works, the exact script to use, and tips to make sure you succeed. Stick around because I'll also share what to do if they say no. The problem why high interest rates hurt. Credit card interest rates can be as high as 24% or more. If you're carrying a balance, that means you're paying hundreds, or even thousands, in interest every year. It's like throwing money away. The emotional toll? High interest rates make it feel impossible to get ahead. You're stuck in a cycle of minimum payments, and the debt just keeps growing. The good news, creditors want to keep you as a customer, and they're often willing to negotiate. You just need to know how to ask. Why negotiating works? Creditors want to get paid. It's cheaper for them to work with you than to send your account to collections or risk you defaulting. You have leverage. If you've been a good customer, e.g., making on-time payments, they're more likely to help you. Real-life example, I've seen people lower their interest rates from 24% to 12%, or even 0% for a limited time, just by asking. Step-by-step negotiation script. Step 1. Do your homework. Know your current interest rate, balance, and payment history. Also, research competitor offers. This gives you leverage. Step 2. Call the right department. Ask to speak to the retention department or customer solutions team. These are the people who can actually help you. Step 3. Start the conversation. Be polite but confident. Start with, "Hi, I've been a loyal customer for X years and I'd like to discuss lowering my interest rate." Step 4. Explain your situation. Say something like, "I'm trying to pay off my debt, but the high interest rate is making it difficult. I'd like to lower it to X% so I can pay it off faster." Step 5. Use leverage. Mention competitor offers. "I've received offers from other cards with lower rates. I'd prefer to stay with you, but I need a better rate to make that happen." Step 6. Negotiate. If they offer a small reduction, ask for more. "Thank you, but I was hoping for X%. Is that possible?" If they say no, ask for a temporary reduction. "Could you lower the rate for 6 to 12 months while I pay down the balance?" Step 7. Get it in writing. Once you agree, ask for confirmation in writing. This ensures they can't change the terms later. Step 8. Follow up. If they say no, call back in a few months. Your situation or their policies might change. Tips for success. Be polite but firm. Creditors are more likely to help if you're respectful but persistent. Know your numbers. Come prepared with your balance, interest rate, and competitor offers. Don't give up. If the first person says no, ask to speak to a supervisor. Sometimes it takes a few tries. Practice the script. Rehearse what you're going to say so you feel confident during the call. To recap, do your homework, call the right department, use the script, and don't take no for an answer. You've got this. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more real-world money tips. Drop a comment below and tell me how your negotiation went. I'd love to hear from you.